Hi friends, this is Gurpreet and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a recipe not for you but for your hair. And this one recipe, which I call as my hair food, can be used by both men as well as women. Why I call it as hair food? Because just like how food gives us the required nutrients, the same way this hair food that I make gives my hair the best nutrients. For my hair pack, I take 100 grams of henna. I'm going to use this full packet of henna because my hair length is really long. You can take as per your hair length. Coconut oil, as coconut oil helps get rid of dandruff. Coffee powder that restores hair growth and prevents hair loss. 2 eggs. They are rich in vitamin A and E that helps in giving hair growth and health. Lemon juice that has antifungal properties which help maintain scalp health. Dried amla, which is great remedy for a lot of hair and skin problems, and it is one of the most natural ways of preventing graying of hair as well. I'll be soaking it in hot water and be using the water in my henna pack. Lastly, some curd that helps in attaining silky, smooth and dandruff-free hair. Now let's get started with the pack. Now I'll be adding 100 grams of henna in the water that I got after boiling raw amla in it. We'll mix it nicely. Now we'll add 2 eggs. Some curd, lemon juice. This is approximately 2 tablespoons. 2 spoons of coconut oil. And 1.5 spoons of coffee. Mix it well into a thick paste. Once we achieve this consistency, we'll keep it overnight and use it the next morning. It is of a thicker consistency this morning, so I'm mixing it really well to remove all the bigger lumps possible. We don't have to use it this thick. So to make it a little bit thin, I had kept aside some of the dry amla water with me. So I'm going to put that into this and make it a little bit thinner. For the application, we'll need a brush and gloves. To begin with, we need to wash our hair first to remove all the clogged pores and the dirt out of our hair, so that the goodness of all the ingredients can actually seep into our scalp really well. Wear an old t-shirt because you wouldn't want your new t-shirt to get stained, so wear an old one, and also around an old towel around your neck so that the mehendi or henna pack drips, it doesn't fall directly on your clothes. Now let me show you step by step how to apply it all over your length and make a proper bun and secure it. Wrapping an old towel around my neck. Now we make sections and start applying the henna pack. From into your roots. Now after we are sure that the center partition from the beginning till the end is taken care of by the henna pack, we'll take a center portion of the hair I'll be taking the the henna pack in my hands because that will make it easier for me to apply it all through its length. Now we secure this part into a bun. Make it a little tight bun because this is the bun that will be holding the rest of our hair. Like this. Now we'll take sections one by one. Start applying. This pack does get drippy, guys, so be careful. And like so you have to wrap it around the bun you've made. Likewise, we'll be taking the another section. Press it onto your roots. And then going towards the length. Wrap it around. Moving on to the end part, we have to press the henna back into our roots like so. All through the way we have to apply it like this. Moving on to the last one. Our bun will be ready. I have completely applied henna pack on my roots and along the length, and I've secured it into a nice bun like this. So whatever extra is remaining, you can touch up your hairline with this properly. Nicely cover your hair with every last bit of the back. Nothing is left. Even after taking necessary precautions, I still managed to stain myself. What can we do? You have to keep this hair pack for around 3 to 4 hours or more if you wish to, and let the goodness of all the ingredients seep into your scalp. Now in the meantime, you can have a green tea, watch a movie, Netflix. If during this time you have to go out of your house for some important work, wear a shower cap and wrap around an old cloth and you're good to go. That's the process, guys. And right now I have just washed my hair a while ago after applying henna, and my hair feels really soft. I did not use shampoo because I'll be using it after 2 days because I want the henna to deepen the color. Along with the color, this henna pack gives me strong and healthy hair. Always remember one thing. Before trying a new pack, do a small patch test on your skin to make sure the ingredients suit you. Because something that works for me might not work for you. So always do a patch test first. Now if you have liked the video guys, please don't hesitate in giving it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Because this pack is sure to help everybody. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe guys and press the bell icon for all the tips, tricks and recipes coming up next. Thank you for watching. Bye.